So Louisa got a new table and chairs today. Mommy drove out to IKEA and got that and a tent. So she's having a little afternoon snack at the table in her chair. Teddy's joining her. Teddy! Is it good? You think Teddy wants that? I don't know. Maybe Louisa should have it. Because you haven't been eating very much. I mean, my little girl's not very well, I don't think. Careful. Got some pots and pans. Big scroll of paper. No, yeah, you shouldn't touch that one, no. You finish your pear and then we'll go over to your tent and we'll show everybody Louisa in your tent. Good girl. Oh, really? Did you have a nice sleep? Did you go to daycare today? Who picked you up today? Did Daddy come and get you? Yeah, good Daddy. Oh, really? Yeah, Dada. Dada's in the other room working. Did you just cough a little pear out? Hey, it's okay.
Alright, do it. What time are you talking to tomorrow?
Yeah, Mommy got that out of your nose. That's lovely. Thank you so much, honey. Oh, strange looking booger. Here you go, Mamas. Are you seeing your Teddy wanted some? Here's your water. And let's do like this. Let's put Teddy back in his chair and then we'll turn Teddy so he's facing you. You have a bit of a drink. Oh, and look. Some of our puzzle. I don't know how. It's so surprising, but actually ended up on the floor. And we got a cough. Yeah. Did you put that on the other chair? Are you so clever? Do a tiny bit of a move around. Not exactly the new home for the table and chairs, but okay, little mamas.
Papa,
What?
Buddha.
Huh? Buddha? I was just thinking maybe we could say bye-bye and then I'll just sit in your mouth. You think Teddy's gonna help? You're giving some water to Teddy. Teddy says thank you.
Hello.
No.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, can you say bye-bye, Louisa? Can you say bye-bye? What a big smile. Bye-bye. Have you been doing your little voice? Can you go bye-bye? Good girl.